Hi, my name is Tracy Collins. I own Collins Bookkeeping Services. I am a QuickBooks Pro advisor, a certified Housecall Pro partner, and a certified strategic advisor with LifePlan. Basically, that means that I am an expert at QuickBooks Online. I am an expert at the integration of Housecall Pro and QuickBooks Online, and I am an expert in helping your business grow through financial management or debt management or cash planning. So the number one problem that I see in the Housecall Pro Facebook group is the fact that credit card payments are coming through in the bank accounts, in the banking screen, but they are lower than what the actual payment was. The reason they're coming across in your banking screen at a lower amount than what the actual payment was is because the processing company that Housecall Pro uses automatically deducts the fees before they even deposit it into your account. So the number one reason that I'm finding that it's coming across like that is because they have their reconciliation account set up incorrectly. So in order to fix this, you need to go to your dashboard in Housecall Pro and click on My Apps, go to App Store, then scroll down to your QuickBooks Online and click on Learn More. And then over here, if you scroll down, there's a QuickBooks Online thing, and you see here there's an item that says Reconciliation Account. So what this reconciliation account is this is the account that you want your credit cards payments deposited into based on your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. So you click on this arrow. Now, right now, this Housecall Pro does not have any QuickBooks bank accounts connected to it because this is a demo company. But normally you would see your list of your checking accounts and savings accounts that are listed within your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. So you would need to go ahead and select the account that you want your credit card payments to be reconciled into. So once you do that, that's all you have to do is select that. And then you can just go back to your app details and then go to your dashboard if that's what you want to do. But then once you do that, chances are the bank has already deposited some items before you caught it. So you've got to figure out which account it was actually deposited into. And you can do that by going into your gear on the right-hand side and click on your chart of accounts. And look at the checking or savings accounts that there are listed here and check and see which ones it is. And then click on View Register. And then once you go and find the checking account that it was already being deposited into incorrectly, when you go into View Register, you need to find the deposits that it was using it was putting in there. And you go ahead and find deposit and go ahead and click on it, click Edit. And then just go up here where it says Account and select the account that you want it to actually go into. So go ahead and we'll just leave it on checking here. And then click on Save and Close. So then you're going to have to do that one by one for each transaction that is incorrectly in the account that was when it was first set up for the reconciliation account. And it could be tedious depending on how many transactions you have, but it needs to be done or it's going to show that you have a higher income than what you actually have. So that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at www.collinsbookkeeping.com.